How to restore the old phone dialer on Android. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring back the old call screen on your phone. Recently, some devices got an update that completely changed the way calls look and how you answer or make them. If you preferred the old style, follow along step by step. It's super easy. All right, let's dive in. Find your phone dialer app. That's the app you use to make calls. Press and hold down the icon until a menu pops up. Tap the Info icon at the top. This takes you to the app settings. First, tap Force Stop. Then tap Clear Data. Don't worry, this only resets the app. Your contacts and phone data are safe. Tap Clear All Data, then Confirm. Now, tap Uninstall Updates to roll back the app to its original version. Now, what if you don't see both options? No problem. Just open the storage section, go inside, and clear all app data from there. That will work too. Once you've cleared the data and removed the updates, now open your phone app again. The old call screen is back. The call layout and responses are now just like before. A lot of people find the new update annoying, so this is the best way to go back to the classic design. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips.